NodeJS, a JavaScript runtime used for building websites and many more. Node.js is just JavaScript, but running natively instead of in a sandbox browser, giving you access to things you cannot do in a normal web browser, like access the user's file system. Node.js is also the basis of many websites like Discord, Twitter, Facebook, and many more. To get started, go to nodejs.org and download the latest LTS release. Next, open the terminal window and type npm init-y. npm is not a typo. npm stands for Node Package Manager. This one allows you to, for example, install React. Once the command is finished, create a new file and call it main.js. Write any type of JavaScript code that you want to write. To run it, type node main or node main.js. To install modules, open the terminal and type npm install, then the name of the module. I'm going to install the nodemon module. This allows us to not have to keep rewriting the file while in development. When a module is installed, it goes into the node modules folder. This is where all the modules are installed. This folder is pretty big, so I recommend, if you're using Git, using a gitignore file. Since nodemon is a CLI tool, I can access it from the terminal. To make it easier, go into the package.json file and add a scripts key that has an object. Inside there, we can put any command that we want. I want 2 commands, one for development and one for production. So I'm going to add 2 new keys, one that has the name dev and one that has the name prod. Then we can put the commands in there. The dev command is going to be the nodemon main, and the prod command is just going to be node main. To access modules from your code, you can use the require function. This function returns whatever you want to import. Let's say I want to use the path module, which is a built-in module in Node.js. To do that, the lineup we would use is const path equals require, left bracket, and we put a string that has the path in it, and then right bracket. The path variable is an object that contains all the methods that the path module has, like path.join. To run a command, type npm run, then the name of the command. And that has been Node.js Shortsplained. If you enjoyed these types of videos, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. That's it for me today. Goodbye.